Welcome to Maker Melissa's Lab. If you're looking for a book to get started learning the basics of Python, this book may be of interest to you. Let's get started. You may have noticed I'm in a new location. This is the office I've been moving into since my last video. I'll be doing an office tour soon, so be sure to subscribe so you can be notified of that. This is a book by author Sherry Esquinez that follows a brother and sister throughout their day. Although it was written with kids in mind, I think adults will enjoy it as well. As full disclosure, the author sent me this book at no cost, but didn't try to influence my review, so all the thoughts in this are my own. The book starts off the day beforehand, and the kids want to learn how to program computers in order to tell a story of their own, but they aren't sure which language that they want to use. When they go to the bakery, they purchase a box of cupcakes that are in the shape of a snake, and that is what makes them decide that Python is the language for them. The book goes over events that happen throughout the day, and then it summarizes each of the events as a Python program. The Python program is then broken down into more detail down below, and it describes any of the new concepts that it goes over. There are around 18 different programs throughout the book, with each one increasing in complexity. Although the concept of this book is a bit silly, and the kids do eat a lot of junk food, I think the book does a really good job of covering the basics of the Python language. It starts off with assigning variables and printing text, and goes to creating classes and importing modules. It even does a good job of describing how to set up the Python environment yourself in order to get started. This book really just scratches the surface of the Python language, and I think it's actually a really excellent book for new beginners because it does such a good job of explaining the concepts. I'll link to this book down in the description in case you want to purchase it yourself. There's also a Kickstarter for a new book that the author has come out with called Learn Python Through Nursery Rhymes and Fairy Tales, and there's not a whole lot of time left, so you want to get onto that pretty quickly. And if you're interested in backing that book, I'll have a link for it in the description too. Thanks for watching.